Once upon a time, frosty December morning, when snowflakes danced in the golden sunlight, a little family sat around their kitchen table, surrounded by empty bottles and old glass jars. Too many. They were just leftovers, but to this family, they were treasures waiting to be reborn. Because Christmas is not only about buying new things, it's about seeing beauty in the old, giving life to what was forgotten, and adding a spark of creativity to our celebration. Today, we will turn those everyday bottles and jars into magical Christmas decoration, glowing with warmth, story, and sustainability. Every bottle tells a story. A soda shared with friends, a jar that once held pickles, or a candle that burned through long nights. Instead of throwing them away, we can let them shine again. Recycling is not just about saving the planet, it's about creating with purpose. When we recycle glass and plastic, we are not only reducing waste, we are giving our home a new creative glow for the holiday season. So let's gather those bottles, clean them up, and prepare to decorate with joy. Take a simple glass jar, clean and clear, wrap it with jute rope lace or a piece of burlap ribbon. Add a teeny pine cone, a sprig of fake pine leaves, and maybe a red bow. Now, drop in a small LED light or candle, and suddenly your old jar becomes a Christmas lantern glowing softly on the windowsill. As night falls, the gentle light dances through the glass, filling your home with warmth and whispering. Christmas magic can bloom from anything. Now let's look at those empty glass, plastic, and glass bottle jars. Paint them with soft matte colors, white, green, gold, or silver. Use recycled paint or chalk paint for that rustic Christmas look. Decorate them with dried flour, paper snowflakes, or ribbons. You can even fill them with fairy lights or colorful beads. Line them on your mantel or dinner table, and each watch your home turn into a cozy Christmas gallery of recycled art. Every piece will tell a story of creativity, simplicity, and care for nature. Imagine making these crafts together with your children, parents, and friends. The laughter, the tiny mass of glitter on the table, and the proud smiles when you switch on those handmade lights. Crafting together creates memories, not just decoration. These bottles and jars craft remind us that Christmas is not about perfection. It's about connection, about heart that find joy in little things. Here are more magical recycling ideas for your Christmas decor. Fill small jars with candy cans and tie them with red ribbons. Instant sweet decor. Use glass bottles as flower vases with tiny pine branches. Turn white jars into snow globes with fake snow, glitter, and mini Christmas trees inside. Paint lids with metallic gold and add name tags. Perfect for handmade gifts. When you recycle with imagination, your home becomes a gallery of eco-friendly beauty. And every corner glows with meaning. So this Christmas, let's promise something beautiful to give old things a second life. To fill our homes not just with glitter but with gratitude. Because true decoration does not come from store, it comes from the heart, from hands that cares, and from a vision that sees art in the ordinary. As your handmade bottles, lantern, and jars, snow globes shimmers through the night, remember, the light they spread is also the light you created within yourself. Happy Xmas and happy recycling. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. I wish your home be filled with craft and painting, togetherness, happiness, and many more what you want to have in your life. I wish all things you have in your life. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for listening us. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very beautiful and amazing holiday craft, holiday ideas. Thank you so much for joining us today. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Once upon a time, frosty December.